What I'm going to show you today is using your CBCT machine in conjunction with your SureSmile platform within your treatment plans, just to give you a little better, more confidence, a little better idea of what's going on during the treatment plan, and allow you to better educate your patient on why you're using SureSmile and why they're doing their orthodontic treatment. So right here we have our setup and staging. We have a model to be reviewed. It's a very standard model. It's probably what you're typically used to with any of your other platforms that you've used out there. SureSmile currently is the only platform that allows you to have a CBCT integrated with your treatment plan. So we actually take a CBCT scan, we stitch it with the STL file on your prime scan, or whatever scanner that you're getting your STL or PLY file from. So right now I'm just kind of showing you the basic model right here. And if you take it off and you look at this, everything looks good, but you really don't know where these roots are. We kind of get an idea, we kind of have a guess. You can put a smile photo on here, but it doesn't give you the true root to crown relation that we're looking for. So hide this, look at it, plays through, hide this event info. Okay, we see where the attachments are, we kind of see the tooth movements, we see what's going on throughout the treatment plan. But maybe we've got someone who's a pre-compromised perio patient, or someone's got a bridge, or we got an implant. We kind of want to see how this is all connected and going to affect each other. And it can be kind of difficult with this sometimes when you just have an STL file. So I'm going to pause that and take you over to this. Close my clipping plane. I'm going to take this out and start you off. And this is what it would start out as. Excuse me. So the way we would do this is we would have our patient come in. We would take a CBCT 3D cone beam scan. Then we would take our prime scan, get that STL file generated, and then our photos. And then we get it back. It's going to look something a little bit like this. So immediately right now, you can already see that those roots are sticking up out of the gingiva. So if we pop that off, now we can see our root alignment within here. And so you can immediately start talking to your patient about this, on where we're going and what the plan of the course of the treatment is. You can play through it with them and show them, hey, this is where attachments are going to come on, but this is where your teeth are overall within your mandibular and maxillary bones. I'm talking to them with this. So I'm going to pause it. But then say outside of this, you're concerned of where everything's, what's happening, what's going on. You can actually put the bone on with your CBCT scan, continue playing, and you can see how the teeth are going to move and what's going on throughout the treatment plan. You can also include your gingiva on here as well, but now it's going to give you that extra layer and extra added confidence of when you are taking, say, a higher class 2 case, you can see what is going on full scale. You can come in here with your clipping plane and you can cross section this in so you can see, okay, I want to see where these roots are going to align. That's looking good, looking good. You can slide this all the way through. I'm going to pop this gingiva off real quick just so we can see a little better here. But you can slide that all the way through. And so you can see where this is going to line up real nice. You can even come in here and we can just flip this model completely. And you can look at it from a different angle, different view, different side here. So pretty powerful tool. As I close my clipping plane out and I get this. May want to take this, I'm going to zoom it just a little bit so we can see, maybe I want to see, from the posterior view and look at everything that's going on the lingual side. And I can actually go in here and I can hide my spine, and now I can scroll in here and look at it from a posterior view. And so again, once again, we're just playing through this, making sure we're comfortable with taking on this case. You can even use this for patient education for things coming up throughout their treatment plan.